Are you in a hurry and you need dinner quick? This comes together so fast. All you need is some hamburger, some pasta, and a few other ingredients. Let me show you how you can put this together. Have dinner on the table in no time. When I buy burger, I always put it in patties, and that way I have it for hamburgers, or if I need it for like today, I'm just going to use 2 patties, perfect amount for this meal for our family. You could add fresh mushrooms in. I like to buy these at Sam's. I get a 12 pack. I can't remember. I think it's like $10. So it's a good deal. I always have mushrooms handy that I can use. And actually, this is the way my mom always did it. So it seems the right way to do it for me. Then I'm going to cut up an onion. This onion's kind of small. I want to dice it up. I will be sure to add the recipe at the end of this video, and if you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. I'm going to brown the hamburger and add a little bit of water in there. I really love this chopper. It works so good. I didn't buy one for a long time when everybody was buying them, but now that I have one, I will never go back. And now that that's about done, I'm going to get the peas going and put my mushrooms and onions in and put the lid on. You could cut the onions up a little smaller, but I thought I'd just break them apart. And then I'm just going to add in a little bit of garlic. Now I'm going to pour in my milk, and I'm going to add flour to this and some other seasonings. I was thinking that I could do this with a fork, but to my left, about 3 steps, is the whisk that I need. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in my pasta. I probably should measure this, but after doing it so long, you just kind of get an idea of what you need. It is smelling so good in here. Now I'm going to add in my milk mixture, and I just want to keep stirring that until it thickens. I'm also going to add some sour cream in. I always like to do this to check on how thick it is. You can kind of tell how thick it is getting by doing it this way. I had tasted this and decided to add in 1 beef bouillon cube. The pasta is about ready, and I'm not a big fan of pasta, so I'm going to make some mashed potatoes for me, and then I'm going to put the mixture over the top of that. And then once I get mine, I will add all the pasta into the beef. This is delicious, and I was thinking this would be great over toast. There's so many different ways you could do it over rice. So many ways. It is just so delicious. I just want to give that a good mix. Get everything coated really well. I also made homemade bread today, so we will also be having a slice of that to go with it. At the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I'm going to put the recipe up for you to screenshot. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.